Lynn Park, Zone Breaker. Game 1, new faces, fresh kicks, and a long road to glory. And let's see who's just yapping their mouth. Tres, dos, one, bang! It's the Zone Breaker, +1 for all shots within the zone. 2s and 3s to 30. Run it. Oh man, you trying to go to lunch with no lunchbox. The steal of the century. Mátalo. We steal away. Wow, I'm out of tune. Ay, 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 ay. Drink your coffee. Block party, where the barbecue chips at? Ooh, we're gonna do some bicep curls because this bucket is heavy right now. Put that in the books. Giannis racking up points. Jalen with the steal. Super duty status. Some serious catching up needs to happen to get back in this game. Apúntalo para Giannis Antetokounmpo. Deep dish like a pizza. Give me a slice. Oh yeah, with the crunch mode, yo. Ooh, a steal. Robbery. Yeah, there you go, Melo. Cookies! No! Give me an ice cold pop. No sugar. Fantastic! Watch your step! Oh yeah, time to pump that fist in the air. The quarterfinals is next. Crombie, speed round. Crombie Park in the T-Dots, where the asphalt is freezing and the ballers, yo, they got ice in their veins. Ooh, here we go! Speed round, first to 11, ones and twos, no drain on the brain, yo, keep it going. You want a glass of milk with them cookies? It's Jimmy! That's a dollar bill, yo. We don't call it dimes no more. We gonna call it a dollar bill. The dime is only worth 10 cents. That's not enough for a nice pass. That's provolone cheese with no alone. What a way to start the day! Hey! Ooh, no forward push. Ooh, knockdown. Bye, bye. Put that in the books. Giannis racking up points. Yo! Slam! Yeah! Almost lost my voice on that one. Hey! Expert extreme. Yo! He's got happy feet! Pizza feet! Next basket wins it for shirts! Ooh, congratulations, you have just bought yourself a ticket to the semifinals. Spring Garden, triple threat. Boom bang! My name is Bobito Garcia, aka Cool Bob Love. We're in Philadelphia for the semifinals. Do not eat a cheesesteak before the game. You gotta be ready. Bang! 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 Boom! Triple threat, first to 24. Trays are trays. Everything else is solamente uno. We want to see a three. That was masonry work, yo. Kakook. Un jumper de larga distancia. That's how you really mess up your basketball. The chain that's be eating up your exterior. Bloqueo! Apúntalo para Giannis Antetokounmpo. Nice shot, but this This game is about larga distancia. Ooh, going north. Celebrate good times, come on. He took his cookies. Giving out a pail of water, aka a bucket. You ain't got no vanilla flavoring. You ain't got no brown sugar. How you gonna go for the cookies? Stop! You got nothing but crumbs left. They took your cookies. Take that. Yo, you a washing machine or you a dryer? Yo, you in a full laundry cycle, man, with that. Ice water, refill the ice tray right away. It's unbelievable. Please don't let me sing. Come on, man. Shay, this is what he does well and better than most. SGA with the steal. Giannis with the miss. Estupendo. Escucada. Keep rising to the top, all the way to the finals. Congratulations. Donkton, speed round, yo. This is it, the finals. One court, two squads, one title. Legends get made right. Pizza, burgers, hot dogs, go! Speed round, first 11, ones and twos, 10-second shot clock. No stamina drain on your cranial fluids. Ooh, you got shellacked out there. Ah! Lil KD with the young block. Super duty status. Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely. Put it out there. Cade for two. SWAT team. come on, you were trying to give it to him. The barbecue chips bag is family size, yo. It's a block party. Come on now. Woo! Fire! Your feet looking like a pizza with no crust and no sauce.
The next two-pointer wins it.
Over to Giannis with the left. The next two-pointer wins it. The next two-pointer takes it home. The next two-pointer wins it. A successful pass. This is great. Así eso. Huepazo, yo. That's it. You can't go any further. You just took the W in the chip. Congratulations. You're the best. You won the tournament! Yes, indeed. You get a free Metro card to go to any borough in the city.